welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my May plan with me, and I'm doing a cherry blossom theme. April showers bring May flowers, and I was reminded the other day when I was walking to work that the flowers are starting to bloom. My neighbor has a beautiful cherry blossom tree, so I thought I would make that my theme for this month. And here I found a quote that says, "Bloom where you are planted." And that quote really resonated with me and made me feel really good about things that are coming up in my life. And just let me know, wherever you plant yourself and plant your seeds and water it, that it will grow and it will bloom like the flowers are this month. So I'm going to hand you guys off to the sped up version, and I'm not going to talk through this plan with me, so hope you guys enjoy. Okay everyone, here is the final flip through of my May setup. I hope you guys enjoyed. I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit off camera and added some more little touches of flowers on each paper. And on my habit tracker, I put a washi tape because the black marker from the other side bled through. And then I added goals for my healthy eating and my fitness. And then this is the start of my weekly spread. I loved how this turned out. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys with the journey of my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to click the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.